I'll go ahead and restart here. All right, everybody, welcome back to MojoBreak.com. My name is Jacob. Today we are going to be breaking 2022 Bowman Sterling 4-box break. This is going to be random team number 7. I'll go to random.org to randomize teams and names. All right. There's 28 total spots, 2 combo teams, Blue Jays and A's, and Cardinals and Mets. 28 total spots, 28 total orders. All right, I'll go ahead and start by randomizing teams and names. If I land on Snake Eyes for the virtual dice, we default to 3 times. Here we go. This is going to determine how many times we randomize teams and names. 1. All right, 2 and 2. We're going to be randomizing everything 4 times. Go ahead and start with the full list of teams. Here we go. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and good luck, everybody. 4 times. All right, Yankees at the top and Rays at the bottom. 4 times in the random. All right. All right, there's the full list of teams and names. 4 times in the random. 2, 2, 4. All right, 4 times for the full list of names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Good luck. All right. Mont at the top and Roy at the bottom. 4 times in the random. All right, you guys. I will give you guys a couple minutes in the chat to trade. Here's the full list of teams and names. If you guys do end up deciding to trade, we need a postal zip code from both parties in the chat to confirm. Like I said, I will give you guys a couple minutes in the chat to trade. Good luck. All right. Go ahead. Welcome in, Diana. Welcome in. Who's got the Reds? J.L. Tyler. Congrats on getting the red spot. Let's get you an Ellie De La Cruz.